this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello and welcome again to this tutorial. It's another bright day, and today I'm going to show you how to create this actual amazing natural vignettes around our pictures. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. So all you need to do is to import your picture and follow along this tutorial. So what you need to do is first our layer selected, you come down here, right, to the icon. I know you'll be using this icon a lot because that is the place you can create the adjustment layers and adjust our images and stuff. You know what I'm talking about? So without wasting my time, let's start. So we click on this and click on level. Perfect. So what you need to move the down to this side. Perfect. So we get this guy. Now what we're going to do now is make sure this is set to black. Select our brush, make it bigger. Okay. Now big. I think this is perfect. Click anywhere on this image. Boom. So what you need to do, use your Control T on Windows or Command T. Perfect. And now try to add these using the shift and space. Okay. Perfect. Okay. To rotate. Okay, and try to open up. Right side. I think this is okay. Going to, yeah, perfect. After that, click on this. Make sure this property is selected. Okay, with the properties selected, you see the feather here. Increase the feather. Now just see how amazing. Okay, this will be okay. Perfect. And you zoom in. You see our light will vanish. Okay, all we need to do is just okay, to see and the layer star and the underline. You see the image is getting there, so be there and just hold the Alt and try to separate and move it. I'll just look at it. So perfect. You see before and after. So cool natural vignette with this clip. Just look at this. If you know you are not okay with it to create something, you can just go back to this and select the boost and try to add a little image. Perfect. Just look at before and look at after. So natural. So we just created an amazing vignette photo in Photoshop. And if you like this video, just give it a high rating. So let's move to right image. Let's say this image. Let's try to click this image and let's see what happens. So with this, you just follow the steps. Go to levels. Okay. Then with levels, you just let's give it that. So with this dark, what you do is to go back. Okay. And try to make sure this is flat. Actually, click here. Control T or Command T. And open it. Yeah, around the face. and this is okay. Click here, double click this, and try to feather it. Just look at this. So perfect. These are just simple like that. So we just click it again as I did before. And this is a so natural vignette. So this is quite some simple tricks in Photoshop. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up. Always do some cool ratings to the video so it will motivate me. Stay tuned for up. Take care and stay safe.